Well, howdy there. Well, I'm here in the rainforest, as y'all can see. Yeah, and I am walking home through the rainforest. Now, my name's Detective Dan, so I can find out anything. This right here is green and is a plant. It's known as green plant. And this right here is green. It's a plant and it has many leaves. So it's called a many-leaf green plant. See, I'm a scientist and a detective, and that all works out when finding out what kind of plant it is. Now, this right here is a tree. You can find them almost anywhere. Now, I hate to be honest, but this tree is only found on the earth. That's all for now. I'm Detective Dan, and this has been a Dumbass Production. Yeah!